Mary Berry's apple cake, a moist and delicious treat. A baking legend reveals her secrets. In her new TV series, Mary Berry is generously sharing her culinary wisdom, and one recipe has caught everyone's attention. It's her simple apple and almond cake, a dessert that promises to be a crowd pleaser. But what's the secret behind its irresistible moistness? It all comes down to one humble ingredient. Yes, you read that right, just one ingredient makes all the difference. And this is where it gets interesting. The star of the show is none other than melted butter. Mary Berry's recipe calls for 150 g of unsalted butter, melted and cooled, which might seem unconventional for a cake. But this simple twist is the key to a perfectly moist texture. It's a technique that sets her apple cake apart from the rest. Here's how to recreate this masterpiece. Ingredients: 225 g self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 225 g custard sugar, 2 large free-range eggs, 1 teaspoon almond extract, 150 g unsalted butter, melted and cooled, 350 g cooking apples, peeled, cored, and sliced, 25 g flake almonds. Method: 1. Preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius per 140 degrees Celsius fan. Prepare a 20 cm deep, loose-bottom cake tin by greasing it and lining the base with non-stick baking paper. 2. In a large bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, and sugar. Add the eggs, almond extract, and melted butter. Beat vigorously with an electric whisk until you achieve a smooth batter. And remember, this is where the magic happens. 3. Pour half of the batter into the prepared tin. Carefully arrange the apple slices on top, creating a visually appealing pattern. Leave some space between the slices and the tin's sides. 4. Slightly overlap the apple slices and pile them up in the center. Cover with the remaining batter, ensuring the surface is level. 5. Sprinkle flake almonds on top for a crunchy finish. Bake for approximately 1.5 hours until the cake is a pale golden color and has shrunk away from the tin's sides. 6. The cake might have a slight dip in the center, which adds to its rustic charm. Remove it from the oven and release the tin's sides. Allow it to cool for 15 minutes before turning it out onto a serving plate. 7. Serve warm with a generous dollop of cream or crème fraîche. This cake is best enjoyed fresh from the oven, captivating your taste buds with its delightful moistness. And there you have it, Mary Berry's apple cake, a dessert that's sure to impress. But will this unique butter technique divide opinions? Do you think it's a game changer or a step too far? Share your thoughts below.